What is product management? Product management is the process of developing, marketing, and selling products or services. It involves overseeing the entire life cycle of a product, from ideation to development, testing, launch, and ongoing support. Product managers are responsible for ensuring that the product meets customer needs, is competitive in the market, and is profitable for the company. The key responsibilities of a product manager may include conducting market research to identify customer needs and preferences, defining product requirements and specifications based on market research and feedback from stakeholders, collaborating with cross-functional teams, including engineering, design, sales, and marketing, to develop and launch the product, creating a product roadmap and managing the product backlog, prioritizing features and functionalities based on business goals, customer needs, and resource constraints, defining pricing, positioning, and messaging for the product, monitoring and analyzing market trends and competition to identify opportunities and threats, gathering feedback from customers and stakeholders to continuously improve the product, managing the product life cycle, including ongoing updates, enhancements, and support. Overall, product management is a critical function in any organization that develops and sells products or services. Effective product management can drive customer satisfaction, revenue growth, and long-term business success.